Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Mr. Halloween 365, also known as Dr. Frankenstein. Just joking. I just wanted to get into the role of the character since I am going to be putting this guy together today. I am wearing my lab coat from my Halloween party last year. I was a mad scientist and I thought this was appropriate to get dressed up. Halloween decor hunting season is upon us and I'm back from my honeymoon. I'm ready to hit the ground running and bring you guys more digital content, so I hope you stick around. During the honeymoon, I did stay at the infamous Halloween suite in Vegas. It's at the Westgate Resort. I stayed there for one night, so I will be posting a video of that later on, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's an entire hotel suite devoted to Halloween lovers, so you won't want to miss that. So while I was on my honeymoon, this guy arrived, my Frankenstein's monster animatronic from Home Depot. It was waiting for me when I got back, and I've been dying to put this guy together, so let's get started.
Get him downstairs!